Hi everyone, myself Dr. Sreerenjini, wellness consultant, WellnessLoka. So today let's talk something very close to the nature and very incredibly powerful treatment, that is the mud therapy. So in naturopathy, the holistic system of medicine or the Indian system of medicine, we believe in treating the root cause of disease by working with the elements of nature like Panchamahabhutas, like earth, water, fire, ether, etc. And among them, the soil or the mud plays a very important. So now you might be wondering, how can something as simple as mud which helping healing the body? Everybody will be having that doubt. So well, it truly can, and in more ways than you can imagine. So let's dive into the importance of mud therapy. So what is mud therapy? So mud therapy, which comes under the one of the Panchamahabhutas, that uses the natural clay or soil which is rich in minerals to treat various health conditions and promote overall well-being. And it is one of the foundational treatments in naturopathy. But this isn't just an ordinary soil which is taken from the backyard or something like that. The mud which is used is especially very processed, which ensure it's clean, safe and therapeutic. So how is mud which is prepared for the treatment? We can look into it. So the selection is very important. So we use a black soil or bentonite clay, which is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium and silica. So it's mainly collected from the deep or clean sources, far from any pollutions or chemicals. Second one is cleaning, the cleansing. The mud should be very cleaned, it should be sieved and washed thoroughly and remove the stones, roots and all the impurities. Next process is sun drying. After the cleansing, it's dried under sunlight for a few days and that will kill the harmful microbes and enhances its healing properties. Next one is rehydration. When it's time for the therapy, when it's time for the mud therapy to be done, the dry mud is mixed with a pure water to form a smooth paste. Then we are applying it to the body or particular patient's body. Next process is cooling, means in hot climate or for specific treatments, we chill the mud, either in a clay or pot, in a clay pot or the fridge or anything like that. So that will help to amplify its soothing effect. So cooling property is very important. Next one is hygiene and storage. So the clay, the mud which is used for the mud therapy, should be stored in a very clean containers and very freshly prepared one. And a proper quality check is always done before application. Next we can see that how does the mud therapy helps the body? How the muds play miracles? So let's look into its benefits. One is detoxification. So the mud is a natural detoxification element. So mud naturally absorbs toxins and impurities from the body and cleansing as both externally and internally. Second one is, as I mentioned before, the cooling and soothing effect. So it has a cooling effect which calms the inflammation in our body and it lowers the body fat, especially which is very useful in skin conditions or during the time of high fevers too. The next use is like it improves the circulation, blood circulation. So it stimulates the local blood flow, helps in the nutrients and oxygen reach the tissues more efficiently. And one of the very important benefit of mud is like pain relief. It is very excellent for joint pain, arthritis or muscle stiffness. The anti-inflammatory nature of mud eases the pain and swelling. And it is also very good for the eye and skin health. As I mentioned before, the eye pack which reduces the puffiness and strain, and the facial packs which helps to improve the acne, pigmentation and it gives a natural glow. Next one is the stress relief. It relaxes the entire nervous system and has a grounding effect on the mind. So you'll feel more centered and calm. Next one is the digestive health. The abdominal packs, the mud packs which is given to the patients, which plays an important role and it plays wonders for constipation, indigestion and acidity by reducing the internal inflammation. The last is like it is 100% natural. That is the main thing, because the 100% natural thing. So it is the best of all. It's completely natural and chemical free, safe for all the age groups and skin types. The common forms of mud therapy. How the mud applied in different forms that we'll see. Mud packs for the eyes and abdomen, a full body mud bath, mud poultices for pain, and mud facials for the skin health. To sum up, Mud therapy is one of the most simple, affordable, and powerful healing tools available in naturopathy. So it reconnects with earth, restores balance to the body, and detoxifies us physically, mentally, and emotionally. So at WellnessLoka, we help you experience the healing power of nature, guided by professionals who use time-tested therapies like mud treatment in a very safe and personalized way. So let's help you find the right retreat where your journey to natural healing can truly begin. So stay grounded, stay natural, stay well. Thank you.